our 53-inch Popsicle display. First off, the overall dimensions. Actually, no. From left to right, we have a length of 52.5 inches, a depth of 27.25 inches, and a height with wheels. Height with wheels, we have 50.5 inches. Measurements for the top glass cover, we have 49.25 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 16 inches in height. The measurements for the bottom case surrounding the top window, we have 51 inches in length, 26 inches in depth, by 17 inches in height. Measurements for the bottom window display, we have 44 inches in length, by 9 inches in height. The bottom stand will measure 42.5 inches in length, 13 inches in height, by 20 inches in depth. Coming to the back of the display are dual slide windows, along with 2 additional sliding door windows to cover your Popsicle trays. Coming to the inside, there will be an LED strip that runs along the edge that will illuminate and showcase your products beneath. Interior dimensions, we have 46 inches in length, by 20.75 inches in depth. Included will be 14 Popsicle trays that will be included with this freezer. Each Popsicle tray will measure 6.25 inches in length, 10.5 inches in depth, by 1.75 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 14 trays included. Each tray will have 4 rows, and each row will measure 6.25 inches in length, 2 inches in depth, by 1.5 inches in height. Dimensions is the showcase that will be displaying your products. Coming to the back of the freezer will be the electricity information for this freezer. Coming to the side, it will be the temperature controller, along with the 110, 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.